Hi everyone, this is Ben with WTI. I want to tell you my thoughts on the Philips Norelco 13-in-1 all-in-one trimmer. As the name implies, you have everything you need to keep you well groomed. You have several stubble combs, beard combs, hair combs, as well as the charger. All you have to do is plug it into USB-C to charge and plug the other end into the back of the device. Using the comfort blades, you can then sculpt your sideburns or any other things around your ears. To trim your hair or beard, all you have to do is select the proper size comb that you want, the size that you want, the length, and then just easily snap it right onto the buzzer. Very simply, it comes on very quick and you're good to go. This has allowed me to keep my goatee nice and trim and not looking like a wild man. The included nose and ear hair trimmer will help take care of the hairs that show up where you don't want them. And of course, you could just put it all together in one nice, convenient little provided bag. So upgrade your grooming game with the Philips Norelco 13-in-1 all-in-one trimmer. I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.